This video introduces the basic editing operations of the table, mainly including data input in alternate rows and columns, the insertion, deletion, hiding, and unhiding of rows and columns. Many beginners use the mouse to click on a cell and then enter the content when entering data. Here is a quick way to teach you how to do this. After entering the first data, press the Enter key to input data in alternate rows. Press the Tab key to input data in alternate columns. We can also click the Up, Down, Left, and Right keys on the keyboard to quickly switch cells to enter content. Sometimes we encounter the data is too long. That cannot be displayed completely in the cell. At this time, we can double-click the intersection of the column headings to quickly adjust the appropriate column width to display the complete cell content. What if we want to insert a new column between column B and column C? Select column C. Click on the right mouse button and choose the Insert option in the pop-up menu to quickly insert a new column in front of the current column. Similarly, the method of inserting rows is in the same way. If you want to hide a column or row, you can select the row or column that needs to be hidden. Here we select column C, right-click, and choose the Hide option in the pop-up menu. If you want to unhide a column, just select the columns on both sides of the hidden column, right-click, and choose the Unhide option. The method of hiding rows is the same as that of hiding columns. When we want to delete a row or column, just select the row or column, right-click, and choose the Delete option in the pop-up menu. All above is the basic editing operation of the spreadsheet. Did you get it?